So, what can you expect to gain from this course? By the end of it, you should be naturally practicing mindfulness through your daily life. This course will help you to 1. Stay in touch with the present moment, and be less caught up in negative thoughts. 2. Deepen your awareness, and respond more skillfully to events in your life. 3. Reduce, and maintain at low levels, anxiety, depression, and stress in your life. You may naturally be wondering if this course is right for you. Well, mindfulness encourages you to relate to things as they are, rather than how you want or expect them to be. This may involve relating with difficult feelings and issues in your life. It is not a good time for you to do this course, if any of the following apply to you. 1. You are currently suffering from severe depression. As you may be unable to give your full concentration to the assignments on the course. 2. That you are going through major changes or upheavals, such as job loss, bereavement, moving house, or a relationship breakup. It is best to do the course at a time when your life is relatively stable. 3. That you are too busy to fully engage with the course. During the course, you will need to practice mindfulness regularly in your daily life. The course will only be of benefit if you are able to put in the time and commitment. By considering your expectations and timing, you should have a good idea if this course is right for you. In the next session, a few more frequently asked questions are outlined to establish if this course is right for you. Click the next video box to go to the next video in this course. Click the View Playlist box to go to the playlist for all course videos. Click the Go Back box to go to the previous course video.